Hello and welcome to the Fictional Retail Company. My name is Greg. Today we are going to review the yearly and monthly sales for the company. There will be a link in the video description to create your own copy of this entire sheet. The data sheets will need to be unhidden to see the sources for the formulas. On the yearly sheet, we see the revenue, units, and more for each year. Starting in the top right, we can select a store from the drop-down. That filters our table and our totals. From there, we also get a list of the store employees. Let's select one from the employee dropdown. There we can see that particular person's sales. From the product dropdown, we can also select a product to see how many of that particular item that person has sold. We can remove the employee filter to see how many of that item has been sold at that particular store. And of course, we can remove the store filter just to see how many of that particular item has been sold. Onto the monthly sheet, we now have the months listed on the left. We can change the start month to filter that. So we'll change it to 2022. We can also change the end month to filter the table further. So now we're seeing 2022 and 2023. Along the top, we have very similar filters to the yearly sheet. Let's start with the employee. Let's select an employee from there. We could see how many that person has sold. We can also select a product to see how many of that particular item that person has sold. Now that we know that person's store, of course, we can select their store. We could remove the employee filter to see the product and store combined. That's it. There will be a link in the video description to create your own copy of this spreadsheet. Thank you so much for watching.